Take command of the road in the 2008 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck still has fewer than 60,000 miles. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful eight-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and air conditioning. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.